Hello guys, it's Paolo Avellino. I am coming back to Birmingham para mag-perform at aliwin lahat ng mga kababayan natin at kabayan natin dyan sa UK. So I hope to see you guys there. And if you don't have your tickets yet, it's not too late to get one. Cheers!
Hey guys! Another update tayo, Paolo Avellino Benjo. Sa post sa IG story ni Kiwi, ayan, makikita sa IG story ni Kiwi, ayos lahat po kay Paolo Avellino photos. At may mga caption pa siya doon na happiest birthday to my boss. And isa pang caption, he is a nice guy, mature and nonchalant, graduated of without trying. Mayroong emoji pa-birthday naman ang Paolo. So yung ibang caption, kasi 4 na photos yung naka-IG story kay Kimi. As in, solo lang talaga ni Pao. Sa isa pang photos kung saan ay nandoon yung emoji na sweet, pero binawi naman na peace. Kakaloka. At meron isang clip